2-year-old Mary once drifted off to her mother's lullabies, but leukemia has reduced her world to a cold hospital room. Now, beeping machines replace soothing songs, and each night she trembles as nurses struggle to find her veins, leaving painful bruises on her fragile skin, a reminder of the suffering no child should endure. But you may ask, how do we improve Mary's situation?
Introducing CadoCare, a solution designed specifically for young pediatric patients. With CadoCare, blood sampling becomes more efficient, minimizing pain, reducing failed attempts, and easing stress for patients, families, and healthcare providers alike.
This is our team.
Today, we will be going over the unmet clinical need, our prototype, and proposal.
Our product addresses the difficulty and potential trauma involved with collecting blood samples from pediatric patients.
CadoCare provides comfort for patients, parents, and medical professionals through an approachable and efficient way of collecting blood.
Children have smaller, harder-to-find veins, higher sensitivity, and limited blood volume. They also require proper distractions during blood draws to prevent anxiety from seeing the needle.
Medical implications include vein damage from repeated attempts, delays in potentially life-saving diagnoses, increased risk of anemia, and negative effects on mental health.
Our stakeholders include children ages 1 to 5, healthcare professionals who manage the procedure, and guardians who handle the difficulty of keeping their child calm.
So, what specific patients are affected? Children who have conditions that require regular blood testing like MIRE, such as anemia, sickle cell disease, RBC disorders, etc., would all be impacted by this issue.
Our device is created to distract the four senses to achieve maximum comfort. CadoCare hides non-friendly features from patients and shields them from pain.
The needle is loaded through a designated opening featuring built-in safety mechanisms. The product addresses the senses, including touch with an adhesive skin attachment, a vein finding system and temperature controls, sense with hypoallergenic sense stickers, sight with an approachable product design and opaque tubing to conceal the blood draw, and hearing with mini music speakers to distract the patient.
Our providers would include medical device manufacturers such as Terumo and Grainer Bio One, as well as Carpenter Technology, Becton Dickinson and Company, and Minco. Phlebotomists would be crucial to CadoCare as they are trained blood draw specialists.
This single-use Class II medical device is designed for healthcare professionals and hospitals, featuring interchangeable 22 to 25 gauge butterfly needles, a heating slate that heats to 37 degrees Celsius, a near-infrared vein-finding LED system, and a camera for guided needle insertion.
CadoCare begins with prototyping and early development within the first 9 months. In year 1, we'll raise up to $500,000 through angel investors, grants, and bootstrapping for regulatory approval. Year 2 focuses on seed funding to refine the prototype and complete documentation. By year 3, we'll secure Series A funding to begin clinical trials, and in year 4, we'll continue trials, secure Series B funding, and start commercialization by partnering with hospitals and clinics to bring CadoCare to the market.
Children deserve comfort in their most vulnerable moments, so join us in making pediatric care blood draw more approachable, precise, and child-friendly.